Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound consists of a cyclohexane ring, which is a 6-membered saturated carbocyclic ring. Step 2. Identify the principal characteristic group attached to the cyclohexane ring is a chem-2 carboxamide group. The chem-2 group is an amide derived from carboxylic acid. Step 3. Apply IUPAC nomenclature rules when a chem-2 group is directly attached to a cyclohexane ring and the carbonyl carbon is exocyclic, not part of the ring. The compound is named as a cyclohexanecarboxamide. The parent ring is cyclohexane, and the suffix for the chem-2 group as a principal characteristic group attached to a ring is carboxamide. Step 4. Combine cyclohexane plus carboxamide is equal to cyclohexanecarboxamide. No locants are needed because there is only one substituent and it defines position 1 by default. Step 5. No other options are present to eliminate, but alternative incorrect names might include cyclohexyl amide or aminocarbonyl cyclohexane, neither of which follows IUPAC rules for this functional group. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclohexanecarboxamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.